So when something happens to me more than once in like 24 hours, or like a few times, I realize, the lighting better. Ooh, lighting's definitely better there. I realize that this is a video topic. All right, so I'm by the Riverwalk. So nice here. And I just dropped my kids off at school, and so it's a great chance to make a video, to be here, be out in nature before I start my day. And I want to talk to you about no. And what I'm realizing is happening is I have people attempting to coerce me to change my mind. And I got to thinking, like, what would it be like for me to tell somebody no, and that really truly be the end of it? We don't talk about it ever again. Like, unless I choose to say, you know what, I changed my mind. I want to talk about that. Let's go into that again. And what I'm finding is I say a no, and immediately, like, maybe they'll respect it for like a minute, but then they're like, come on, you know you want to. I'm like, I said no. And for the next 20, 30 minutes, I'm fighting this no every few minutes. Like, it's not consistent, but it's there. It's like, you know, like maybe like, let's go back to my place. And I'm like, I don't want to. And it's, again, it's like, yes, let's do this. And like, come on, you know you want to, or it's not far, or it's only going to be like 20-minute drive, or I'll drive you. Like, there's all these attempts to like try to get me to change my mind. And I think about, like, what would it be like for me to say no, and it be truly the end? Like, it's no longer talked about. It ends there, and then for the rest of the time, we actually enjoy each other. I grabbed somebody's face recently, and I grabbed their face, and I was like, I said no. Like, be here right now with me. Enjoy this moment. Like, let's have fun. Why are you so much thinking about the future? Why do you have to have that planned? You're missing what's happening right here. You're losing out. Like, and so I'm trying to figure out, like, how do I bring this up to people in my life, or people that I casually meet, and when I tell them I don't want to do that, and then go, now let's figure out what we can do right now. Because I may never see you again. Who knows what's going to happen? I think we spend so much time, we lose so much time trying to figure out the future, like making plans with somebody that they don't want to do, and we keep pushing them, and I think we lose that moment with them that we actually do have. The moment that they're actually a yes to. Like, I'm a yes to this right now. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to practice this in my life. When I say no, because I'm not going to say no just because I have no interest in doing that, but when I say no, I'm going to let people know I'm only saying it once. If I have to say it twice on the same request, I'm leaving. Like, I'm not participating in an interaction with you, because they're like a broken record. They can't get it out of their mind. And they're no longer with me. They're somewhere else. They're at the place, they're in their fantasy, they're in their imagination where they want me to be, but they're not truly with me. Whew. That's a lot. And I find that with my clients, when I say no, it's not typical, and they like start pushing boundaries, it's a lot easier for me to be like, I'm not doing this. Like, it's easy for me to end it. It's more difficult with relationships and with just in life to do this. So, okay, that's my commitment, my challenge. Challenge yourself. If you're that person that doesn't accept a no easily and keeps pushing people, stop. Truly, stop. And if you're that person that always, says your no, or tries to say a no, it's hard enough to say no, I will say. And you're struggling with, like, having to consistently say no to them, leave. You don't have to put up with that. It's not okay. All right, no coercion. Stop coercion now. It's not okay.